How can balloons fight wildfires? Make the connection with EU Science. The threat from wildfires is increasing in Europe as climate change, evolving land use, and rural depopulation make them more intense and widespread. The EU-funded Triads project brought together 48 partners across 15 countries to tackle this challenge. Solutions include using weather balloons to monitor wildfires, novel fire-resistant construction materials, and seed balls for rapid reforestation, supporting European efforts before, during, and after wildfires.
Find out more at cordis.europa.eu and follow us